Mabuhay! I am Tracy Ann Marie Gayahan from DS Tourism Management. Today, let's explore one of the most exciting sectors of tourism, the attraction sector. This sector is the core of tourism industry, offering experiences that draw visitors from all over the world. Tourist attractions can be grouped into three main types. Natural attractions like beaches and national parks celebrated for their beauty, cultural attractions such as historic sites and museums which preserve and showcase a region's heritage, and lastly, the entertainment attractions like theme parks and zoos focus on fun and recreation. Why are attractions so important? For one, they have a huge impact. It brings in revenue through ticket sales, merchandise, and services like food and lodging. They also help with people creation, employing in various roles from tour guides to maintenance staff. Moreover, the quality attractions can greatly enhance the appeal of a destination. They often the reason people to choose visit one place to another. In conclusion, the attraction sector is crucial to tourism because it provides memorable experience, making any destination worth visiting. Thank you for tuning in. Choose Tourism, choose UA Manila.